Hello students, let's start with another chapter of EVS, that is population ecology. Before starting up with the chapter, we should be familiar with the term population. Population means inhabitants of a particular place, and ecology involves study of interrelationship between organism and environment in which there is flow of nutrients and energy. So, population ecology is the study of populations in relation to the environment. It includes environmental influences on population density and distribution, age structure, and variations in population size. And this variation in population size, age structure is known as population dynamics. Students, to study population, scientists measure population size, that is the number of individuals of specific species occupying a given area or volume at a given time. And along with that, they also study population density, which is a measurement of number of people in an area. It is an average number. It is usually shown as the number of people per square kilometer, mathematically expressed as density is equals to population over area, that is number of individuals divided by space occupied by that area. Knowing the population size and density provides more information about the population's relationship to resources and its uses. Students, there are various factors affecting population size and density. First is birth or natality rate. The second one is death or mortality rate. Third is immigration. The fourth one is emigration. And the last one is environmental factors. Natality. The birth rate, which is the ratio of total live births to the total population in a particular area over a specified period of time. The various factors that involves increase in natality rate are illiteracy, desire for a male child, superstitions, religious beliefs, improvement in medical facilities, and child marriage. Second is mortality, the death rate, which is also the ratio of the total number of deaths to the total population. The various factors due to which mortality rate is increasing are lack of vaccinations and malnutrition, pollution, poverty, natural calamities, accidents. The third factor affecting population size and density is immigration. Immigration is the number of organisms moving into area occupied by population. It is the number of individuals added permanently to existing population by movement from some other locations. Another factor is emigration. Students, the number of organisms moving out of the area occupied by population is called emigration. So to conclude, the factors that increase population are natality and immigration, and factor reducing population size are mortality and emigration. The last factor that also influence population size and density is environmental factor. Students, availability of resources like food and shelter increases population size, whereas natural calamities like droughts, rain, that reduces the population size. So to conclude with this topic, I can say whatever be the factor, nature has its own mechanism to keep check on indiscriminate population increase. This is all for today, students. Thank you.